Hi, I am Fred from therequirementsengineer.com. In this video, I show you how to exit Draw.io. You will learn the exact workflow step by step. And I will show you what you should check before you leave the editor. This is useful when you finish working on a diagram. It is also useful when you want to close Draw.io in a controlled way. And it is especially useful when you want to avoid losing changes. The important point is simple. Exiting Draw.io does not mean deleting your diagram. It means leaving the Draw.io editor or application. However, before I exit, I should always make sure that my work is saved. So let us go step by step. If you like practical tutorials about Draw.io, modeling, and requirements engineering, please subscribe and hit the bell so you do not miss the next videos. What is Draw.io? Draw.io, also known as diagrams.net, is a flexible diagramming tool. I use it for flowcharts, process diagrams, UML models, network diagrams, and many other visuals. Let's start. I open my diagram in Draw.io and begin with step 1. Before I exit Draw.io, I check whether my work is saved. This is the most important habit. So I should not blindly assume that everything is stored. Instead, I take a short moment and check the save status. If I want to save manually, I can go to the top menu and click directly on this red button. Or I click File and choose Save. I can also use the shortcut Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on iMac. This makes sure that my latest changes are stored before I leave Draw.io. This step only takes a few seconds, but it can prevent a lot of frustration later. I click Save. Step 2. Now I go to the top menu again and click File again. This opens the File menu again. Now I have to move down in the File menu. Here you can see the Exit option clearly. This is the key step in this tutorial. I do not delete the file. I do not remove the diagram from storage. And I do not change the diagram content. I simply exit Draw.io in a controlled way. I click Exit. After I click Exit, Draw.io leaves the current editor session. Depending on my version and setup, Draw.io may close the application or leave the editor screen. If there are unsaved changes, Draw.io may warn me before closing. In that case, I should not ignore the warning. I should save my work first. Then I can exit safely. This is why I always recommend this order. First save, then exit. If this video helped you, subscribing is the easiest way to support this channel. It costs nothing for you, and it helps me create more practical Draw.io tutorials. Thanks for watching. and I will see you next time.